hereby commission a $2.34 million project with a grant from the Japanese government. Thank you.
Maintenance is crucial so that you can utilize facilities for a long time. You should have already learned importance of maintenance from Komatsu. Please keep Metrac properly maintained for sustainable development for your country. I often receive compliments on the quality of Japanese products. I am very proud of our products and have confidence in them. The quality is an outcome of delicate technology and highly manufacturer's skill. This project has all been about a collaboration with Japanese companies and experts. I have no doubt that Uganda will increase the quality of infrastructure with the outcome of this project as a foundation.
Luweero people are so blessed, and when you go back in history, the university station we have here in Luweero, it was previously training wing for these operators. So now I think it was so wise through the Ministry of Works and Transport, the government, to say, let's go back where we have got our blessings for training from. So now we believe whoever will qualify from here will go and do wonders in the works they are going to do. Why did we choose to put a grant on a grant of $2.34 million on a facility that will train operators? Because government is investing a lot of money in procuring these road equipment units. Because this training has been mobile, they go to regions, they train. Now government said, let's do reinforcement. We have one place where we can train these people. And it's mandate to provide the new equipment, and even the owner what he talked about additional equipment, but we need to train these people on how best they can handle them. And that's the main purpose of this facility here.